Nakatuto ka ba sa self-improvement? Ngunit may nangyari bang pagbabago makahulugan? Para sa mabungang buhay tayo na po't magkapet padasal. When Jesus looked at the crowds, he was moved with compassion because they were harassed and helpless. This is the very heart of a leader, seeing people's pain rather than just their function. True fulfillment doesn't come from personal success alone. It comes from being a channel of blessing for someone else. The harvest is plenty means there is no shortage of people around you who are hurting. When we develop empathy, we break out of the main character syndrome that keeps us isolated. Ang bida sa ating buhay ay ibang tao. We realize our lives are gifts meant to be freely given. Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, bigyan mo kami ng biyayang makita ang mundo sa iyong mga mata upang ang kapakanan ng aming kapwa ang mas higit pa kaysa amin. Amen.